Oh, where have all the puzzle pieces gone? Oh, here they are. Let's put them back in the right spots together. Which piece goes here? Maybe this one? No. Or this one? No, it's too big. Maybe this? Yes, we did it! This is a farmhouse. The farmer and their family live here, close to all animals and fields. Let's search for the next piece. Let's try this one. No, this is the wrong piece. What should we put here? Yes, the tractor. Here is a tractor. The tractor helps the farmer plow the fields and carry heavy things like hay and food for the animals. What fits here? It looks like a tree. Look at that apple tree. Let's put it here. Yes, the apple tree gives us yummy apples to eat. What fits here? It is really big. So let's try this piece. Great job, kids! Here is a scarecrow. The scarecrow stands tall in the fields to scare away the birds and keep the crops safe. What comes here? Maybe a pig? No. Or maybe the cow? Yes! The cow lives on the farm and gives us fresh milk to drink. Any guesses, kids? What comes here? Maybe this sheep? Yes! Sheep give us milk, wool, and meat to use in our daily life. What fits here? Maybe the rooster? No. Let's try this pig. Yes. Pig loves to roll in the mud and helps eat leftover food so nothing goes to waste. What comes here? I know that! Rooster! The rooster wakes everyone up in the morning with his loud crow. Lastly, we have this horse. The horse is strong and helps pull carts and sometimes gives people rides around the farm.
Enjoyed the video about the farm puzzle and learned some new things about the farm and the farm animals. And for more videos, like, share, and subscribe our channel. And see you in the next video. Bye!